What is up, Hollywood stars? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you this really pretty, super easy eyeshadow look using the Dominique Latte palette, which is this beautiful palette right here. So if you want to know how to achieve this really easy look, then just keep watching. And as always, don't forget to shine bright because it's Low Hollywood time. Okay, you guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a really quick and easy eyeshadow look using the Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette. So this is it right here. I hope it's not too bright, but this is it. I've used this so many times and it's honestly one of my favorite palettes. And the pans are super big as well. And the colors are just amazing. So the first step is you want to make sure you prime your eyelids. I used today the Painterly Paint Pot by MAC. That's what I've been using recently and I love the way it works. I also love the color that it gives. It gives a really pretty natural like shade of pink. So it's a very natural base, which is what you want for this look. So first I'm going to take caramel and we're going to just grab a nice blending brush. This is a Morphe M412 brush. And we are just going to define our crease a little bit and add this color right in here. Okay, perfect. So next I want to deepen it up just a little bit more. So I'm going to take Pumpkin Spice, this guy right here, and we are going to concentrate this in the crease once more, but a little bit more in the outer edge. So right in here. Okay, so next I'm going to take Creme Brulee, which is this color right here. It's a really pretty like rose gold coppery shade. And I'm taking this shade in my Morphe R42 brush, which is just a flat brush. So for this shade, we are going to place it right into our lid. And then I'm going to add some of this macchiato shade, which is more of a champagne color. And I'm going to add this right into the inner corner. And I'm also going to add a little bit right here into the center. And just kind of really work it in so that there's no harsh lines. Ooh, perfect. Okay, and then with that first blending brush, I'm just going to kind of sweep up here just so that there's no harsh lines and making sure everything is nice and blended. So now I'm taking a smaller brush. This is a Morphe M411 brush, and I'm going to take the Pumpkin Spice shade one more time with this little brush and just start to concentrate this right here in the outer corner, just so that everything can be nice and blended. Perfect. Okay, perfect. We're almost done. So now for the bottom lash line, I'm going to take a little pointer brush. This is kind of fluffy too. And I'm going to take caramel and apply it right underneath the lower lash line. Okay, and next with an angled brush, I'm going to take Mocha, which is this brown shade. And we're just going to tight line this lash line. So just a little bit so I can tie the whole look together. Okay, so now I'm just gonna curl my lashes and add some mascara. And for mascara, I'm gonna add this one by Too Faced. This is the Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm also going to add a little bit to the lower lashes. And for my lipstick, I'm going to be using this one by MAC. This was from their holiday collection, and this one is called A Wink of Pink. Alright you guys, so that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this really pretty and easy eyeshadow look using the Kristen Dominique Latte palette. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!